Top 5 Mechanical Engineering Universities in Germany 2026. Automotive giants and a global powerhouse for engineering. If you're dreaming of a career in mechanical engineering, this is the place to be. Germany isn't just a country for engineers, it's a mecca. With its world-renowned Industry 4.0 initiatives, strong ties to global corporations like BMW, Siemens, and Bosch, and a long history of innovation, it's the ultimate destination for aspiring mechanical engineers. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 mechanical engineering universities in Germany, based on the latest 2026 QS World University rankings by subject, as well as other key factors like research output and industry connections. Let's get started. Number 5, University of Stuttgart. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the University of Stuttgart. This university is a powerhouse, ranking in the top 4% of institutions worldwide for mechanical, aeronautical, and manufacturing engineering. What makes Stuttgart special? It's deeply embedded in one of Germany's most important industrial regions, home to Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. The university places a massive focus on the future, with research heavily centered on digitalization, automation, and artificial intelligence in manufacturing. A great example is their new English-taught master's program, FAME, Fundamentals and Applications of Mechanical Engineering, which starts in the winter semester of 2026-27, providing a practice-oriented, interdisciplinary education. Number 4, TU Berlin. At number 4, we have the Technical University of Berlin, or TU Berlin. Consistently ranked among the world's best, TU Berlin holds the number 42 spot globally in the QS subject rankings for 2026. Studying here means you're in the heart of one of Europe's most exciting, startup-friendly capitals. The university has a particularly strong focus on transport systems and mechatronics, offering a unique blend of traditional mechanical engineering with cutting-edge fields like vehicle construction, fluid dynamics, and microtechnology. If you want to combine world-class engineering with the electric energy of a global city, TU Berlin is the place to be. Number 3, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, KIT. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, or KIT. KIT is a true giant in the field. In the 2026 QS rankings, KIT is ranked number 32 in the world and number 3 in Germany for mechanical engineering, making it one of the absolute best in Europe. KIT is particularly famous for its Karl Benz School of Engineering, which offers a highly international English-taught bachelor's program. The school combines technology, digitalization, and sustainability across more than 20 institutes. This is a top-tier choice for students looking for a cutting-edge, research-intensive education. Number 2, RWTH Aachen University. Our silver medalist at number 2 is RWTH Aachen University. If you ask anyone in Germany which university is the best for mechanical engineering, RWTH Aachen will almost certainly be the first name they mention. And the rankings agree, it's number 1 in Germany and holds the incredible number 25 spot in the world for mechanical, aeronautical, and manufacturing engineering. Known as Europe's largest technical university with over 47,000 students, RWTH Aachen is an industry-embedded powerhouse. They have an unparalleled pipeline to companies like BMW, Siemens, and Bosch. Each year, they host a massive mechanical engineering day where over 30 institutes open their doors to the public, showcasing the incredible, innovative work happening there. Number 1, Technical University of Munich, TUM. And finally, taking the gold medal as the number 1 mechanical engineering university in Germany for 2026 is the Technical University of Munich, or TUM. TUM consistently dominates the rankings, and 2026 is no different. In the QS World University rankings, TUM is not only number 1 in Germany, but also ranks a stunning number 19 in the entire world for mechanical, aeronautical, and manufacturing engineering. Beyond mechanical engineering, TUM is an absolute elite institution. It's ranked number 16 globally for engineering and technology and number 22 in the overall QS World University rankings, making it the best university in the entire European Union. With its cutting-edge research, strong industry links, and incredible reputation, TUM is the gold standard for aspiring mechanical engineers. Closing and honorable mention. So there you have it. The top 5 mechanical engineering universities in Germany for 2026. Which university is your dream school? While these are our top 5, Germany has incredible engineering programs everywhere. TU Dresden and Leibniz University Hanover are also fantastic options that are well worth considering. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who's also dreaming of studying in Germany, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on studying and living abroad. Let us know in the comments below, which of these incredible universities is your dream school. See you soon. Thank you.